Visby Tower, good morning. Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, Visby Tower.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, we're on the grass apron Bravo at the Flugclub. Request IFR clearance.
Oscar Charlie Lima, startup approved and the wind is 100 degrees, 13 knots. Temp 15, QNH 1009er. Do you prefer grass runway 10 or runway 03?
We can depart from grass runway 10 and do a visual departure direct Kinti if possible. Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, then we go for runway 10 and QNH 1009er.
Runway 10 and QNH 1009er. Oscar Charlie Lima.
And are you ready to copy clearance as well?
Ready, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, clear to Rønne via Kinti, 4,000 feet, squawk 0404.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, clear to Rønne via Kinti, 4,000 feet, squawk 0404. Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, and are you ready to taxi as well?
We need 2 minutes for the oil temperature, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Charlie Lima, copy and call me back, ready to taxi.
We'll go Oscar Charlie Lima.
12, wind 100 degrees, 14 knots, right and out, runway 03 cleared for takeoff.
Left echo 03, right on out, Baltic 9812.
And Oscar Charlie Lima, we are ready to taxi.
Oscar Charlie Lima, taxi to holding point runway 10 via grass taxiway Golf.
Taxi holding point runway 10 via grass taxiway Golf. Oscar Charlie Lima.
And Oscar Charlie Lima, do you need a run up or are you ready for departure?
We are already ready for departure, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, then line up runway 10 via Golf.
Line up runway 10 via Golf, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, wind 100 degrees, 12 knots, right and out, runway 10 cleared for takeoff.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 10, right and out, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Baltic 9812, contact Sweden on 134.455.
134.455, Baltic 9812, thank you, have a nice day.
Same to you, bye. Oscar Charlie Lima, contact Sweden on 127.530.
Contact Sweden on 127.530. Goodbye, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Bye bye.
Sweden, good morning, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, maintaining 4,000 feet.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, Sweden, control radar contact. For information, no reported traffic 4,000 feet outside control airspace.
Roger, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Scandinavian 707, start vectoring, fly heading 270.
Heading 270, start vectoring for the ILS 19, Scandinavian 707. Sweden, hello, Renault 4366, Fatima 370, cleared 290, Avon Niluk.
Renault 4366, Sweden Control, radar contact. Cleared Turbine Erken, radar vectors runway 19 right.
Happy, Erken, vectors 19 right, Renault 4366.
Scandinavian 707, contact Stockholm approach, 126.655.
Stockholm approach 126.655, head of Scandinavian 707.
Head of. Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, contact Sweden Control 124.155.
124.155, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima. Sweden Control, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, maintaining 4,000 feet.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, Sweden identified. And Renault 2013, continue climb level 400. Continue climb 400, Renault 2013, thanks. Sweden Scandinavian 7381, could you read the Sigma 9 for us? 7381, it's regarding thunderstorms and hail with tops up to 420. Okay, copy that, thank you.
Carlos Sky 55 Bravo, contact Warsaw 130.675, goodbye.
Carlos Sky 55 Bravo, Warsaw 130.675, goodbye.
Oscar Charlie Lima, contact Sweden 128.180, goodbye.
128.180, Oscar Charlie Lima. Sweden Control, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, maintaining 4,000 feet.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, Sweden identified. Singapore 351, contact Warsaw 134.225. 134.225, Singapore 351. Charlie Lima for clearance in Rønne teammate, contact tower 118.330.
118.330, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima. Rønne, hello, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima, Rønne tower grey.
Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima in IMC, maintaining 4,000 feet. Request a heading change 20 degrees right. We would like to route around the west side of the island before flying on approach.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger, report your distance to Rønne viewer.
Currently 30 miles, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger, I'll call you back shortly, but for now, wind is 260 degrees, 14 knots. Visibility 4,500 meters in light rain. Overcast at 1,100 feet. Temperature is 16. Dew point is 15 and QNH 1005. And you can expect the runway 29 for arrival.
Roger, weather is copied. We expect runway 29 for arrival. And yeah, request a route along the west side due to weather. Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger, expect you. Call you back shortly.
Thank you.
Charlie Lima, do you prefer going for the a GPS point or just for heading west of the field?
If we can fly a heading of 260 now for 10 miles and then continue to GPS point, that would be good. Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, that is approved. Maintain 4,000 feet and report when you are ready to turn inbound to Rønne viewer again.
Roger, turning right, heading 260 and will go. Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, wind is to a correction. You can expect the full procedure as Yankee approach for runway 29.
Full ILS Yankee procedure, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, report persons on board.
2 persons aboard, Oscar Echo Delta Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger, report when you are passing distance 20 miles to Rønne viewer.
Will go, Oscar Charlie Lima. Oscar Charlie Lima, distance to the VOR 22 miles, and we can turn south now anytime.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger. In that case, you can proceed inbound Rønne VR, and for the full procedure, LS Yankee approach runway 29.
Roger, turning direct, Rønne VR, full procedure, LS 29 Yankee, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Lima, do you prefer a RNP approach runway 29 or is full procedure LS fine enough?
Request RNP 29 if possible, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger. In that case, you can proceed inbound SBAX and descend to 2,400 feet and clear the RNP Yankee the RNP Yankee approach runway 29.
Direct SBAX, descend 2,400 feet and cleared RNP runway 29 Yankee, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Charlie Lima, report passing SBAX.
Report passing SBAX, Oscar Charlie Lima. Oscar Charlie Lima, SBAX in 1 minute.
Oscar Charlie Lima, Roger, report when leaving 2,000 feet inbound.
Oscar Charlie Lima. Oscar Charlie Lima, established, leaving 2,000 feet inbound.
Oscar Charlie Lima, wind 260 degrees, 14 knots, runway 29, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 29, Oscar Charlie Lima.
Minimums.
Oscar Charlie Lima, welcome to Bornholm. Continue straight ahead, then right off via taxiway Bravo, Charlie and Delta for general aviation parking.
Bravo, Charlie and Delta for general aviation parking. Thank you, Oscar, Echo Delta, Charlie Lima.